Hey, I'm Dr. Jack Wolfson, board certified cardiologist, and I think there's three things that every person with atrial fibrillation should know if they get COVID. So let me tell you about those three things. Number one, if you get COVID and you have atrial fibrillation, be aware that the medications you take for AFib could be impacted. The medications to slow down your heart, to keep your heart rate in control, for blood thinners, all those things can all be impacted when you have COVID for a variety of reasons. So make sure that you are talking to your doctor. If you think you have COVID, you want to make sure, again, that you are safe with these pharmaceuticals. The pharmaceuticals can be very dangerous, so make sure things are under good supervision from your doctor. Number two, COVID is well known to increase risk of clotting, and atrial fibrillation people, they run a higher risk of having clotting in the heart and subsequent strokes. So we want to make sure, again, that you are under doctor supervision because of the clotting risk associated with COVID, and in fact, any kind of virus or bacterial infection. And then number three, concerns for people with atrial fibrillation if they get COVID is actually a strategy I want you to follow, and that there is a better solution to your atrial fibrillation to get you out of this mess. There's always going to be another infection. There's always going to be viruses and bacteria. I want you to know that there's a better solution, and that's what I do at Natural Heart Doctor. At Natural Heart Doctor, we specialize in reducing pharmaceuticals, reducing ablations, and other surgical procedures for atrial fibrillation. We specialize in offering you the best heart health possible. So if you do run into a virus, if you do encounter any kind of infection that's out there, we make you the healthiest person you can be so you can battle any kind of infection, any kind of environmental toxin or pathogen. If we build the body up and give it what it needs, that's always the best strategy. So if you like these three tips regarding atrial fibrillation, and if you get COVID, subscribe to our channel. Check us out at naturalheartdoctor.com.